Ayan mga kalindog, I'm going to my work. Ayan. So, pakita ko sa inyo yung aking work. O, diba? My employer is already good and I am also better. So, ayan. Kaya, I'm going to work for today. Ayan. Pakita ko sa inyo. O, diba mga kalindog? Ayan. So, this is me again, guys. Roha Brinner, ang inyong alindog. Lipstick lang ang katapat. O yan, don't forget to subscribe and tap the notification bell para you're always notified with my new videos. O diba, bongga naglalakad. Diba?
Let's sing a song full of hope, full of pain. Why don't you sing along, my friend? For it's our last refrain. Forever young, never strong, ever brave. Memories like this never end. No, they don't fade away.
Guys, springtime, diba? Ganda ng kanyang I think this is the sweet cherry. O, diba guys? Ayan. Kita nyo yung kanyang flowers. So beautiful, right? Pakita ko sa inyo ito. Ay, Pokemon! Diba yun? Diba? Beautiful siya. Diba? Ang ganda. So beautiful. Oh. Diba? Ayan mga kalindog. Ang ating the spring. It's like me, oh. Beautiful spring. Diba? Ang ganda-ganda niya. At I show you, look, the bird is there. Oh, yung may nag-aaway na birds. Show you first. Wait. Diba? Ganda niya mga kalindog. Oh, diba? Very pretty. Diba? Prettiest like me, Charles. O, diba? Ang ganda. Siya. Sige na mga kalito. Show you more. Guys, o diba? Meron siyang naaway siya. Ayan guys, I'm here in my employer Proudplesh, the judge. This is my employer judge. She's a lawyer, judge, or judge, ne?
Judge.
Judge, okay. Look what Proudplesh has me given. Oh, Proudplesh. Oh, danke Proudplesh. Is do guys. Oh, Leute. Eine Ring, echte Ring. Oh, Proudplesh. Danke, Proudplesh. You see, guys, Proudplesh is a good employer and good judge. Ganz net. So, thank you. Oh, Proudplesh, danke. Richtig schön. Oh, guys, ang ganda, oh, diba? Wie heißt das, Proudplesh, this time?
Amethyst.
Amethyst. Proudplesh hat gesagt, this is eine Amethyst. Oh, ang ganda, guys. Oh, diba? Amethyst. Oh, there we go. Ayan, mga kalindog, diba? Ano talaga, very, ang sarap, ang ganda, diba? Your employer, they give you the ring, o, diba? Very beautiful. Napaka-cute niya, o, diba? O, yan ang tinatawag na gold. Diba? Ganda-ganda sa kamay ko, Charles. What can you say? Mga kalindog, o, diba? Kaya pala nung one time, she tried to measure my finger. Ayan. So, yung palang reason niya, she wanna give me some ring. O, diba? Very sweet this employer. Diba ang ganda niya, mga kalindog? Okay. What can you say? O, diba? Siya pa naglagay. She put me in my my finger. So, kaya gusto ko yun kasi that is also lucky. Guys, when somebody gonna give you the ring, let them put in your finger. Because that is the, what do you call that? That is the lucky. Where somebody put in your finger the ring. O, diba? So, ayan. So, kaya yung mga kalindog, o diba? Nice. So, mga kalindog. So, thank you for watching. O, diba? Ang bongga, o ang ring. O, binigyan ako ng ring ng aking employer, o gold. O, diba? With my bato-bato pa siya, o diba? Yan ang aking employer. O, di ba? So, guys, ayan, look, I'm happy. O, di ba? Pinigyan niya ako ng gift na ring. Well, by the way, guys, thank you for watching. O, di ba? And don't forget to smile. So, ayan, guys, thank you for watching. See you again. Mwah.